Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can run a scan Windows security manually on Windows 11. So usually a scan or automatic scan or even real-time protection is do automatically by system. But maybe you want to run it manually or you want to scan specific files on your system. You can do it by open the Windows Security or Windows Defender right now on the system tray. Here there is a shield icon. This is the Windows Security icon. Double click. Next, you can try to search Virus Threat Protection. And here we go, there is a scan option under quick scan. So for the quick scan or manually quick, you can just click this button. So Windows Security or Windows Defender will do quick scan into your system, but I don't recommend you. If you want to fully scan on your system, you can click on scan options. Now you can choose full scans. Check all files and running programs on your hard disk. This scan could take longer than 1 hour. Or if you want a specific folder or which file and location you want to check, just click on customize scan. After that, you can click on scan now. If you don't have internet connection, we'll have to try to scan with Microsoft Defender Antivirus offline scan. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.